Is your character a female?
No.
Is your character from YouTube?
No.
Is your character real?
No.
Does your character have a human head?
No.
Does your character have animal ears?
Yes.
Well. Is your character originally from a video game?
Yeah. No.
Is your character part of a children's TV show?
No.
Well. Is your character associated with FNAF?
No.
Has your character ever been in a movie?
No.
Is your character a cat?
Yes.
Phew. Is your character cat-like?
Yes.
Well. Is your character orange?
No.
Does your character kill?
No.
Is it a meme?
Yes.
Ha. Is your character's skin blue?
Yes.
I guess that you are thinking of Blue Smurf cat. Is it correct? Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, I guessed right.